again, a more detailed look. I'm on a different phone. This will be available in July. Comes with a 12 amp hour battery, like I was saying. Has some features on it. Again, I stressed during the live video, you really got to take in perspective the power of this chainsaw that is being powered by an 18 volt battery. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Everything on here is top grade commercial. Again, you got metal spikes on it, Oregon blade. Yep, you got a non-toolless adjuster for the chain. Just really nice and really not as heavy as you would think. Again, when we're adding these 12 volt batteries or these 12 amp hour batteries to a lot of these tools, and that's what's giving it the 15 amp power. The corded power is because of the battery. So, but they're not really super heavy at all. Again, this is one of the bigger chainsaws you can get. 16 inch. I believe Ego has a 16 inch. Makita just came out with a 16 inch. So really nice, powerful chainsaw from Milwaukee. One of the most talked about tools, I think, here. It's the only one that they added for the outdoor power line. Some people were talking possibly a lawnmower. That would probably be next year, I think. We now have 4 tools in Makita's outdoor power line. We got the string trimmer, hedge trimmer, 2 blowers, and now the chainsaw. So absolutely amazing. Again, this chainsaw has the power of what Milwaukee's saying, of a 40cc gas-powered engine, 2-cycle engine. You can do up to 150 cuts of 6x6 cedar. It can do 25 cuts of a utility pole, and it can do up to 1 face cord. So you see how much wood is in a face cord here of wood. On one 12 amp hour battery, fully charged, you'll be able to cut this much timber, this much wood. Obviously also comes with a guard. Again, available July for $399 with a 12 amp hour battery. Gonna go outside here. And there's the tools in action, guys. Impressive, Steve?
Can you put the brake
Impressive?
on, please?
Put the brake.
Put the brake.
You don't weight your battery?
Nice.
13
You wanna do it?
pounds.
It's nice and smooth.
Slightly heavier than your average gas saw.
Yeah, I don't want to put on
See,
Try it.
You run this against the Makita
I'm gonna take you.
That was awesome.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I don't get
camera standing.
No, I don't.